Have I started sharing screen with you?
No,
I haven't yet.
no.
Share a tab, pure maths, share. Okay, I guess we were around page 150 or something. This is the
Yeah.
exercise we were doing. Segment 7C. We had done till this one, we had done 11, right?
Yeah.
You'll have to start from 12, please.
Uh, okay. Uh, okay.
By the way, anything interesting happening at school these days?
I have my test on Monday.
P3.
Yeah.
Which topics? Chapter 1?
Chapter 2.
What about chapter 1?
Chapter 1, it was too easy, she said.
Okay. Chapter 2, we had done most of it, right?
No, no.
We had
We
done
did
half of it.
we did the first two exercises. There are 8 exercises or something.
Oh, nice. Nice. Alright.
Uh, in the diagram, A, D, B, C are arcs of circle center O, such that OAOD is equal to R, AB is equal to DC. Given that the area shade region 48, show that, okay. Uh, square theta minus uh, R plus 8 square theta minus uh, a half R square theta. Is that right? Am I even right? Sir,
Hmm.
nice.
48 is equal to r plus half r plus 8 whole squared theta minus half r squared theta. Perfect.
Okay. So do I expand the bracket?
Yes, there is how many unknowns? There's just one unknown. Hmm. Just to
Okay.
make things a bit easy, you could write it as theta by 2.
There's two unknowns. I mean theta and two r.
Theta and
Okay.
r. Hmm.
Okay. R square plus 2. I mean 16 r plus 64 theta minus theta. Okay, I take this to the other side. 48 plus half r square theta is equal to, okay, multiply this whole thing by 2. Okay,
Don't. Wouldn't you
is
write
it
theta
wrong?
with all of these? This whole thing gets multiplied with theta as well.
Yes, 2 theta,
No,
right?
no. This thing gets multiplied with theta. So
Oh,
it's
yes,
r squared theta, 16 r theta, 64 theta.
yes, okay. So then I expand the bracket more. So do I multiply again?
Hmm.
Okay. 96 plus uh, r square theta by 2 uh, equal to r square
Why
theta
would it
plus.
become theta by 2? Wouldn't the 2
I mean 2
multiply with the
theta.
second?
I mean 2 theta. I mean no, just r
R
square
squared
theta
theta. Hmm. And
is equal to r theta square.
Allahu Akbar.
R square theta it is. Sir, why would we write it like that? R square theta plus 16 r theta plus 64 theta. Go to the other. Okay, so this two would cancel out, and then 16 r theta, 16 r theta plus 64 theta plus 6 uh plus 96, right? So divide all by 16. So what would you get, sir?
Mm, don't have my calculator with me, but let's see. 96 by 16. Hmm. 96 by 16 is 6. 16 by
Okay.
6 is 1. And 64 by 16 is 4.
Uh-huh.
6 is
Uh,
equal to r theta plus 4 theta.
okay. What did I do wrong then? Or did I do it right? I just don't know what I'm doing.
Alright, so you have got 6 is equal to r theta plus 4 theta. You need to have the
Yeah.
value of r from this one. So 6 minus 4 theta
There's no 4. Yeah, 6 minus 4 theta.
by
That's the thing. I
theta.
don't know if.
Okay,
Okay.
so this is equal to r, and then if you rearrange the left hand side, it will become 6 by theta minus 4.
How did you minus?
It will become 6 over theta minus 4 by 4 theta by theta. Theta's cancel out, it becomes 6 theta minus 4. 6 by theta minus 4.
Okay. 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 Given also that r is equal to 10 theta, calculate the perimeter of the shaded region. Um. Okay. Um. R, which is 100, right? 100. No. 10 theta plus 8. Um. 10 theta plus 8.
No, wait.
Okay,
You had the
and r over
equation.
here is 10 theta is equal to 6 by theta minus 4. So 10 theta in minus plus 4. 10 theta plus 4 is equal to 6 by theta. Multiply this whole thing by theta. So 10 theta square plus 4 theta minus 6 is equal to 0. Answer of theta would be something. Uh, okay, I'm going to bring calculator. 1 second.
Divide this whole thing with 2.
Calculator. Okay. More 3, 10, 4 minus 6. 3 by 5 and minus 1.
That
It
is
has
the
3
value
by
of
5 and minus 1. So it can't be minus 1, so it's 3 by 5. And so 3 by 5 into 10 answer, I mean 3 by, God, 3 by 5 into 10 becomes 6. So 6 plus 8 is what, sir?
14.
14. So the two sides are 14. 14 plus 14 is
28.
28. And so the length over here would be. How would I know? How would I know? These imbeciles think I know everything. Okay. So after I found the theta, I use it there. So L is equal to theta into
You have
r.
to
Theta
find
is
you
3
have
by
to
5.
find perimeter of the
3 by
shaded region.
5 plus, relax, 3 by 5 into r, which I just found was 16, is 48 by 5, 9.6. So 28 plus 9.6 would give me 37.6, which is the answer, which is GG.
28 is the answer.
What? You are. Oh, wait. Did it ask for the. Okay. Shaded region. Okay. I accept. I
13 quickly.
accept. 1 second. 8 plus 8 plus 6. Sir, how is 28 the answer?
That is a good question. That is a good question.
It's not.
Okay, perimeter of the shaded region.
It's 8 plus 8. Okay. 8. Oh, because I wrote wrong maybe. No, I wrote it all right. Oh no, I wrote it wrong. Okay, it's 9.6. It's 3 into 8, which becomes 4.8. So uh, 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 it
It
still should be 20.8.
hmm, wait. The shaded region is r theta plus 8 plus r plus 8 theta plus 8.
Why r plus 8 theta plus 8? Isn't it just 8 and 8 and then r theta?
R theta and
Oh,
r plus 8
smaller.
theta. Yes.
Smaller. Okay.
Okay.
I
Next
got it. Okay,
question.
next one.
13.
A sector of a circle of radius 28 centimeter as perimeter P and area A. Given that A is equal to 4P, find the value of P. The radius of circle. Okay.
Why would you always find the most difficult way of doing things?
You wouldn't get it. Um. So divide all of this by. I mean, multiply all of this by 4. So it would be 2 into 28 into 4. Uh. 12 2 into okay, 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 okay. Okay, what is the easy way to do things?
Simple, the way they had given. A is equal to 4p, right?
Yeah.
What's the formula of A?
Half
R squared theta.
r theta.
What's the formula for perimeter?
I don't know. You just add all
Hmm.
r theta plus r plus r.
Give me the values.
I don't know what theta is.
Give me
28,
in
28
terms
theta
of theta.
plus 28 plus 28, so 56.
Okay. So this becomes, instead of R also, let me write the value of R, which is 28 squared. So what's 28 squared?
784.
Divided by 8.
Uh, 28.
Is it 28?
98.
98. So 98 theta minus 28 theta is equal to 56. Uh, 98 minus 28 is how much? 70.
Yeah,
70 theta is equal to 56. Theta is equal to uh, 8 by 10 or 0.8.
4 by 5. Okay.
Okay, if this is theta, I've got the value of P is equal to 28 theta plus 56. So 28 into 0.8 plus 56, which is
Quick math. 78.4.
that's the answer. Were the values in cm? Yes.
Sir.
Hmm.
I don't know what happens, but sometimes math just becomes so easy and then sometimes it just becomes so hard.
That depends on the attention you're paying to it. And I mean, what day is it today? Easy day or hard day? Or the
Uh,
previous question was too easy, or this became too hard?
or everything became harder.
Like before and after this
I think
question?
after I saw my this P3,
Hmm. Now it all looks
I
easy.
was know after I saw P3, I started revising because I did all of it okay properly, but then when I was revising, I couldn't get a single answer, and then after that, everything just became hard.
I mean, you were doing the revision today.
Yeah,
I mean, happens at times when you're tired, or I mean, you have been. For me, it is like when my processor has been running for too long.
it just looked like I forgot everything. That's why.
Happens. Take a break.
But I have test.
Take a break. Go for a jog or a small run or something. Refreshes you. Then come back and study.
Okay. Anyways, 14.
Yes, please.
Diagram shows a triangle plot of land. The sides A, B, C, and C, A have lengths 12, 14, 10 respectively. The lawn is a sector of circle center A and radius 6. Show that BAC1, BAC. Okay. Uh, okay. Okay. R. Okay. Okay. How would I find the length of it? How would I do it? What's the length of the law? No kilo. How would I do this? So,
We have to show angle BAC. All right. What have we got? The sides are given. All right. The radius is given. Center is 6 cm. So using radius, we can use the formula of half r squared theta, right?
what? But we don't have half r squared theta, but we don't have area.
All right. All right. All right. We don't have the area. Hmm. But can we
Can
for
we
the
find out
for
the length
cosine
of the
rule,
law?
cosine rule, cosine rule,
Cosine rule
ABC.
A, B, C, but we already have all the sides.
So what? We can still use the cosine rule to find the angle. We can use the sine rule as well. But for
Yeah.
sine rule, we'll need at least one angle. So just use the cosine rule.
Okay, so 14 square is equal to 16 plus 16, 6 plus 6, 12 square plus 10 square minus 2. Okay, I'm just gonna write it. 12 square plus 10 square minus 2 to 12. Okay. Uh, uh, all this, all of this, um, 14. Sir, 101.5.
Why do you have your calculator in degrees mode?
Oh, oh, oh. What is the answer, sir? I can't put it again in the calculator.
1.37 radians.
1.37 radians. So it is right. Just calculate the area of the flower bed.
What did you have the angle? What did it show? 101 degree.
101 degree. Yeah. one
Okay.
zero one point three or something. I don't remember. Okay. Uh, calculate. Okay. So we have now theta. We
Give me a
have
second.
now.
There's somebody at the door. Let me go check. I'll be back in a minute.
Okay.
All right, sir. Uh, so now, what's the area of lawn?
24.66.
Okay. Area of flower bed?
Answer. 50 A. Okay. So answer minus 24.66. Answer is 34.13 or whatever.
34.1. Perfect. Correct.
Okay.
Excellent.
Uh, 15.
Yes, please.
Okay. The diagram shows the sector OAB. O, where is O? O, A, okay, and then B. Yeah. Um, the circle, the area of a circle with a radius 12, okay, and tangent to the circle center O. Let's see, okay, 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 OBC is a straight line. The region R is bounded by the arc by the arc AB and lines AC and CB, AC and CB. Okay. Uh, Find the area of the arc, giving your answer two decimal places. Okay, but why? Just why? Why me? How me?
Oh, no, don't worry. It's not just you. There is a whole ton of you doing this A
No,
levels
it's
thing.
just me. Trust me. Just me. Uh,
Do you know about Arthur Ashe?
no idea.
Okay.
Actually, I've heard of him. Is he like a book writer or something?
I think he was a very famous tennis player back in the day.
Was he? Think, yeah, I think I've heard of him. If I have, and if it's tennis, then it's definitely my dad I heard from.
Oh my. I'd, I'd heard that he was a very famous player and he has won just three Grand Slam titles.
That's it, what a loser.
I mean, could be that back in the day it was a big thing.
What a loser.
When did this Grand Slam thing start?
Sir, I have no idea. I
Okay,
don't know. I don't even know what Grand Slam is. I just simply said for no reason. What a loser.
okay.
I
Question
like to
15
think
you're
that,
doing?
yeah, I like to think that since I'm a loser, everyone's a loser, you know? It's just R, B, C, A. Okay, I'm done.
You're doing 16.
Yep, I am doing 16.
What about 15?
I forgot that it existed. I forgot counting. Okay, R. Okay, let me do it anyways. I already started. 12. Okay, okay, okay. How hard can it be? Think. Just think. I know. Sir, why do I feel like if I get B, D, I can get C, A? Is that a correct intuition?
Do you want to get the value of CA?
Yeah. If I get
Can't you see
B,
a big right angle triangle?
I did.
And there is an angle and there is adjacent of it.
Yep.
So we learned in CBSE the sine, cos, and tan ratios for right angle triangles.
Yep. But what do I do with that?
You can find AC using that.
But I need CB.
Wouldn't you need the area of the whole triangle first?
Uh, I mean, I guess if I'm making it into not a sector and this thing, it depends on the way I'm doing it. If you want me to minus the R with triangle, I mean, if you want me to minus triangle with the R or R with triangle, whichever way it is, then yeah, I would need to do that. Do I do that?
That is one option. What were you suggesting? What was your
Uh,
suggested way?
sector, find a sector, and then find the. Then what? What was I suggesting? Good idea. Good question. Good question. Good question. I don't know what I was thinking.
The
So crazy.
R is a tangent. Okay, the region R is bounded by. So from this big triangle, where do you subtract?
R. I
You have to
mean,
find out R.
yeah,
So from this big triangle, you subtract this sector
to find R.
to find R.
Yeah. So, yeah. How would I do? Do I find the side CA?
No, first, yeah, yes, first you'll have to find that side. So that side will be equal to.
Okay.
Are you doing?
Adjacent opposite tan uh theta.
No,
Okay. Tan 1.2
you're doing.
is equal to uh CA. I'll just write x by 12. So tan 1 by 2, tan 1.2
Is your calculator in radian
into,
mode?
yeah,
Hmm.
30.865. Would I add 30.9? Let's just
No,
add
keep it as
30.9.
30.865
What? Okay, I guess.
because the final answer you have to give right in up to two decimal places. So I mean, would be better if you keep it the previous parts up to four decimal places or something.
Okay, sure. So now this since this is 30 point blah 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 blah. Should I find CB now or what?
No, you have got two sides of the triangle,
Uh-huh.
and
Half into length into height, half into base into height.
hmm,
Okay. Half would be half into base would be 12 into answer would be height, which would be 185.1949168. So now I just have to minus it by the sector. So to find the sector, I have theta is equal to L by R. R, so L is equal to theta by R. Theta is
why
1.2
don't you simply
into
do the area of
1.2
sector
into
formula?
12. Don't interrupt. 1.2 into 12 give me 14.4 and then answer. No, 185.19 whatever is subtracted by no, I would get 14.4. 14.4 is the length. Okay, I don't know why I found the length. Why did I find the length? Sir, why didn't you stop me? Okay. uh Sir, why didn't you stop me?
Try to.
Sir, you know I'm a psychopath, you have to stop me. 1.2. uh I don't need that. Half r, half into 12 square theta, which is 1.2, which gives me 86.4. So uh 185.1949, 185.1949 minus ounce gives me 98.80. Let's do that. Or 98.79.
Perfect. 98.79 is the answer.
Yes, okay.
Good job. Next one.
Uh, Find the perimeter of dab. Dab.
Now you will need the arc length.
Sir, why? Okay, okay. Yes, I found it out, so I have it. I have it. Calculator is brilliant. I like this. 14.4. 14.4. Ha ha. Jokes on you. Jokes on you. Jokes on you.
Yes, Mr. Joker.
Okay. And BD would be would be eh, eh,
Do we have OD?
we do not have OD. We do not have OD
But we
or
have OB.
AD.
We have OB
OB is also 12 now because
12.
it's radius.
Yes, and using that and this particular,
Oh,
so
I don't get
hypotenuse and opposite.
12. Okay.
Sine 1.2 is equal to BD by 12.
12, 11.184, 11.18. Okay, and
And the
so
other side is cos 1.2 is AD by 12.
cos 1.2 is
OD by 12.
OD by 12. What is OD?
That is what we have to find out.
Why am I making it right in the calculator?
So cos 1.2 into 12 is equal to OD.
Okay, so that means 1 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 1 1 is equal to 1 1 1 1 1, right?
Is it?
Yeah. So 0.82, correct?
0.82. 12 minus 0.82. You found OD. We need AD. So OA minus OD is equal to AD.
Oh, minus 80. OD is 11.18, right?
12 minus 11.18 is what? 0.82?
Yeah, obviously. Okay. 0.82.
There is
Then we need,
something wrong.
no, you are the problem. I say.
11.18. This is correct. But
See, and now I just need to use the cosine rule.
why would you need cosine rule? You need the perimeter of DAB.
I need parameter of BD now. Length of BD. I can use the cos rule. Cosine. So BD square. Just trust the professionals.
Oh
BD
my,
square.
hello. You want to find BD? Why don't you use cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse? No. What is it? Opposite. For opposite. BD you have already found out. That was the first thing that you found out. 11.18. Isn't it BD?
Is it
Sine.
BD?
It is BD.
Sine. You did what? Sine is opposite by adjacent.
Sine is opposite by hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse. I thought you found out OD.
This is what we found out. BD. We also found
Sir,
out OD. What are you doing? First we found out BD, then we found out OD.
what was OD then?
Cos 1.2 into 2.
Sir,
This happens because you write half of the things and half of the things you don't write.
no, no, no,
Now wait.
no.
Sine 1.2 is equal to BD by 12.
Sir, how would you get 0.18? The only reason I mean 0.82, the only reason I got 0.82 was because I subtracted it from 12. I subtracted 12 minus 11.18. That's why I got 0.82.
Alright, now look over here. Good job. Look over here. Cos 1.2 is equal to OD by 12 and cos 1.2 into 12 is equal to OD. Agreed?
I guess.
I don't need OD, I need AD. To find AD, I will do 12 minus OD is equal to AD. So BD is 11.4, 11.84, 11.184, 184. Oh my. All right. It's 11.184. Uh, cos 1.2 into 12 is what?
4.348.
4.348. 12 minus answer
7.65.
7.65. So now you have got your arc length was 14.4. You just
Yeah.
need to add to it 7.65.
Yeah, see, now it works. Because it's not 0.18. I mean 0.82.
So this is perimeter of BAD or DAB or
Yeah.
ABD or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, is there another part to this question? No, that's it. Question number 15. Would you do?
Can you go down, sir? Let's see.
There
More.
are just two more. There's just one more.
Okay. Okay. I'll go up less. Center O radius 10. PQ. Okay. The R is on OQ. OQ. Okay. Ratio OR. Uh, uh, okay. So it's 10, right? 10 divided by 4 is what, sir?
5 by 2.
10 divided by 4 is 5 by 2. How much is 5 by 2?
2.5.
2.5. So 2.5 and um 2.5, 7.5, right? So then, yeah, OR is 2.5 and RQ is 7.5. So then from this we find out that I'm a genius. That's what we find out. And then so 2.5 RQ is 7.5. Okay, 7.5, 7.5 is RQ. Now we add that. Okay, so L is equal to theta, which is 0.3 into 10. 3. 3 is the L, and to find RP, what we have to do is RP we have to find by doing opposite by hype. Uh, okay, so opposite is RP by hype, which is equal to so sine